Welcome to the Pakistan Pension Calculator Guide. This presentation will walk you through an updated, comprehensive tool designed for federal and provincial government employees, including KPK, Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, AJK, and Gilgit-Baltistan. As of September 2025, we have integrated key corrections to ensure accuracy, such as auto-calculating superannuation dates, validating basic pay against official scales, and applying the precise AGPR commutation formulas. Our step-by-step input guide will help you navigate everything from selecting your pension type to understanding how your gross pension and medical allowances are derived. Please remember that while this is a robust estimation tool, final figures are always determined by your respective accounts office. It is critical to understand that pension increase rates vary significantly across different provinces. While many follow the federal pattern, there are key variances you must be aware of. For instance, Punjab pensioners retiring after July 2024 are subject to specific reforms that exclude certain past increases, which our calculator handles automatically. Sindh has also historically deviated from federal rates, notably in 2015 and 2022. Whether you are under the jurisdiction of AG Punjab, Sindh, or Balochistan, ensure you select the correct government in the settings to reflect these specific provincial notifications and ad hoc increases accurately. Let's look at Section 1 and 2 where you will input your service details. All blue cells require your input, while the rest of the sheet calculates automatically. You'll need to specify your pension type, whether it's superannuation at age 60 or a retiring pension, and enter your BPS scale and key service dates. In Section 2, ensure you enter your last basic pay, without allowances, as those are handled separately in the pensionable pay rows. Notice how the tool calculates your total length of service down to the day, as this directly impacts your qualifying service years for the final gross pension formula. Once your data is entered, the calculator generates a detailed breakdown of your pay and pension. Here, you can see the results of the 35% commutation, including the lump sum amount and the projected date of restoration. The annual pension increases table is particularly useful. It shows how your net pension grows over time by compounding various budget increases from 2011 through 2025. This section provides full transparency on how we reach the net pension payable, including the base medical allowance and its subsequent 25% increase, giving you a clear picture of your monthly take-home amount. To help prevent data entry errors, we have included the BPS Pay Scale ranges based on the 2020 to 21 revisions. This table serves as a reference for the minimum and maximum pay for each scale from BPS 1 to 22. If you enter a last basic pay that falls outside these official ranges in the main calculator, a red warning will appear. This feature ensures that your inputs remain consistent with the official Finance Division scales, though you can update these ranges manually if new pay scales are announced. The commutation amount is determined by the purchase factor, which is based on your age at retirement. This slide displays the official commutation purchase value table used by the Government of Pakistan. We have highlighted the factor for age 60, which is exactly 148.4628, as per the official AGPR calculator. By multiplying your commuted monthly pension by this factor, the tool arrives at your total lump sum commutation. For those retiring at other ages, the table provides the approximate factors required for an accurate estimate. Finally, this reference table summarizes the annual pension increase rates for all governments from 2011 to 2025. It highlights the nuances we discussed earlier, such as the federal-only 10% ad hoc increase in April 2022, and the specific 5% increases in Punjab for 2023 and 2025. By maintaining this historical database within the calculator, we ensure that every pensioner receives a calculation tailored to their specific retirement timeline and government jurisdiction. This concludes our overview. Please use this tool as a reliable guide for your retirement planning.